How are you today? Very good. Okay, Ni, so I'm going to ask you some questions regarding how has your life changed in the past 3 to 5 years. Okay. So I want to know, do you spend more or less time on cooking?
I spend more time cooking.
Okay, and who do you help with cooking? Do you help your mom with cooking at home?
This is my housework.
Housework. It's your housework. You need to cook.
Yes.
Okay. And do you think you spend more or less time using your phone than 3 to 5 years ago?
I will use for 1 year.
Since 1 year. Okay. So, okay, let's go to another one. Do you spend more or less time studying?
I spend more time.
More time on studying. And why is that?
Because my homework in school is very.
Is a lot of homework?
Yes.
Okay. And I want to know, do you have more or less free time? Less free time.
Yes.
So why do you have less free time now?
Because I'm studying and do my housework.
Do your housework, studying keeps you busy? Okay. I want to know, what would you like to have more time for?
I like listening or reading.
Listening to music and reading books. You'd like to have more time for that. Okay. And second one. Yeah. So you live in Vietnam and you live in Hanoi. Hanoi is a city. So I want to know, where in Hanoi do you live? I live in Tay Ho. Where do you live? Where in Hanoi do you live? In which district? In Kaohsiung district. Okay. And is it a village or is it a town where you live in? A town. Okay. And how big is it? Is it quite big or normal, very small?
It's very big, crowded.
Very big and crowded. Okay. And do you know the population of Hanoi, more or less? More. Okay, I want to know, how many people do you think lives in Hanoi? Millions. 6 million or more? Less than 6 more. Okay. And I want to know, do you like living in Hanoi? Or would you like to live somewhere else? You like living in Hanoi. And what is your favorite activity in Hanoi?
I like hanging out with my friends.
You like hanging out with your friends. Okay. So with this, I just want to know, do you think you do enough or not? Okay. So do you think you read enough books?
Yes.
Think so? Okay. And how many of those books would you read a month, say for instance? Or a year? How many books do you read usually?
Twelve.
12 books a year? Okay. And do you think you eat enough fruit and vegetables?
Yes, it's very love.
She likes fruit and vegetables. Okay. So what's your favorite fruit?
Rice.
Rice?
Yes.
No, fruit. Fruit. fruit? What's your favorite fruit?
Grapes.
Grapes. Like grapes? Do you like green or purple grapes? Purple grapes. And what's your favorite vegetable?
Garbage.
Like cabbage.
Garbage.
Okay. And do you think you do enough sport or exercises? No? Why not? You don't have enough time to do sport and exercise. Okay. And do you drink enough water?
Yes.
How many cups a day do you drink?
5.
5 cups a day. Okay. And do you think you eat way too much fast food? So. What's your favorite fast food? Potatoes. Okay. And do you spend, no, I want to know, do you think you spend with too much of your time online? Okay, I want to know, do you think you spend too much time online? Less time. Okay. And do you think you spend way too much money on things you don't need? Not. Okay. I think you spend a lot of your money on things you don't need. Do you spend too much money on things you don't need? You don't? Okay. And do you spend, or do you think you spend with too much of your time on study?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Okay. And do you think you do too much housework?
No.
Not enough?
Yes.
Okay. And do you think you get too much homework?
Yes.
Why do you think so?
Because I have to study many studying and studying a lot and I have
A lot of homework.
yes.
Okay. So let us move on to this one. These are dreams and chores. I want you to choose 5 things in the list to talk about. Okay, I'm quickly going to give you a few seconds just to scroll through. Which ones do you want to talk about?
I like doing with my family.
Okay. So I want to know, what things do you like to do with your family?
I like talk with
You like talking to your family?
yes.
Okay. And what else do you like to do with your family? What other things are there that you like doing with your family? You like talking to them? And what else do you like doing with them? You like going on holiday with your family, or do you like playing games? Do you like to make food together?
I like food.
You like to make food together with your family. Okay. And what other thing do you want to talk about?
I love doing in the summer.
Okay, so what do you like to do in the summer?
I like go to beach with my family.
You like to go to the beach with your family?
Yes.
Where's your favorite beach?
Football.
You like football?
Yes.
Okay. And I want to know from you, what do you think you are very good at doing and very bad at doing?
I'm good at studying, but I'm bad talkative.
You're bad at talking. Okay. And what do you hate to do at school?
I don't have anything.
You don't hate anything at school? Okay, no problem. Okay, and then just these last questions. Okay. When was the last time that you received a present?
In my birthday.
On your birthday?
Yes.
And can you remember what that gift was? Bookmark. And who gave it to you?
My best friend.
Your best friend. Okay. And number 2, would you like to get more fit? Would you like to get fitter?
Yes.
You would? And what do you think you should do in order to get more fitter? To do more exercises?
Yes. Exercise.
Do more exercises to get fitter. Okay. And I want to know, number 4, who do you get on with best in your family? And is there anybody that you don't get on with?
I get on with my mom.
The best?
Yes. And I get on with my dad.
With your dad?
Yes.
Okay. And number 6, what's the first thing you do when you get home from school?
Take shower, eat, and study. So then I study.
You study after school, okay? And number 7, do you have a good sense of direction, or do you often get lost?
Yes.
You get lost easily, but you have a good sense of direction. Do you understand? Okay. So if I explain to you a road, will you remember the road, or will you get lost easier?
I remember them.
You'll remember the road. Okay, so you have a good sense of direction. Okay. And number 8, how many emails or text messages do you receive a day? And if you receive messages, do you usually answer them immediately, or do you answer them later?
I use
Messenger.
Yes.
Okay. And do you answer them immediately or later?
Very quickly.
Okay. Okay, so we are done with this. Thank you very much, Dean. I appreciate